Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you like what John writes on a regular basis, you can head directly to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Today's income pick, Alliance Resource Partners L.P., traded on NASDAQ under symbol ARLP, operates in an industry that most people think is going away of the dinosaurs. That is coal. But the thing is, the demand for coal has been on fire lately. In 2022, global coal consumption grew by 3.3% year over year to a record high of 8.3 billion tons. For 2023, the International Energy Agency, or IEA for short, had projected that the global demand for coal would rise 1.4% to a record high of about 8.5 billion tons. And you may ask, what's the reason behind this? Sure, the US may be pivoting to green energy, but it will need a lot of thermal coal to get there. That's the type of coal used to produce electricity. Then you have India and China. It's estimated that in 2023, India's demand for coal increased by 8% and China's demand for coal increased by 5%. Those two countries, along with Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Philippines, account for more than 70% of the world's global coal consumption. These metrics are great news for Alliance Resource stockholders. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Alliance is the first publicly traded master limited partnership, or MLP, and it's the second largest coal producer in the eastern U.S. The Tulsa, Oklahoma-based company generates operating and royalty income from production and marketing of thermal coal to major domestic and international utilities and industrial users. The partnership also generates royalty income from oil and gas mineral interests in strategic locations across the U.S. Now, Alliance Resource Partners, which has 7 operating underground mining complexes, estimates that it sold between 34.5 million and 35 million tons of coal in this past year, 2023.
And John, on the numbers side, it reported record high 2023 revenues and net income.
Yeah, in terms of financials, Alliance Resource Partners continues its record-setting ways in 2023, reporting milestones for revenues and earnings. It reported record high full-year total revenue of $2.6 billion. Higher coal sales and prices coupled with lower income tax expenses helped the partnership report record high net income of $630.1 million, or $4.81 per unit. Now, the company also strengthened its balance sheet in 2023, reducing its debt by $22.9 million, I think, in the fourth quarter, and by $85 million during the full year. And the outlook for Alliance is excellent, with management expecting the company to have coal sales book in 2024 that's as strong as it was in 2023. And the company also expects to deliver another year of record high revenue.
With that solid financial performance, what can you tell us about the quarterly dividends?
Alliance Resource Partners is a cash cow that rewards buy and hold shareholders. Since its inception in 1999, the partnership has paid cumulative cash dividends of about $4 billion. This past January, management declared a quarterly cash distribution of 70 cents per unit. This translates to a yield of 14.03%, at least of this recording. As for the company's dividend, the payout is actually safe. The ratio is just 58.21%, and its distribution coverage is 1.76 times. And over the long run, management is targeting a distribution coverage ratio of, I think it's 2.0 times to 2.5 times.
And Alliance stock has 40% upside potential.
Yeah, distributions aren't the only way Alliance Resource Partners shareholders have been filling their pockets. ARLP stock price has also been doing well lately. As of this recording, Alliance Resource units are up by a little more than 7% over the last 6 months and around 6.75% year over year. The recent upward moves by ARLP units are certainly encouraging, and its outlook is even more impressive. For the next 12 months, even conservative Wall Street analysts have provided a median target of $28 for Alliance Resource units. This points to potential upside of slightly more than 40%.
John, thank you so much for your analysis. Just to recap, Alliance Resource is a tremendous energy company with excellent long-term growth potential. The partnership delivered record high 2022 and 2023 results and expects that momentum to continue in 2024. The company has already booked more than 90% of its shipments for 2024, and it expects to report another year of record high revenues. Thanks to its solid balance sheet and robust free cash flow, The partnership is able to provide its unit holders with reliable, high-yield distribution and seek out strategic high-return investments. This positions Alliance Resource Partners L.P. and ARLP stockholders well for continued success in 2024 and beyond. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to the website in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.